Video camera. Stop.
Oh, I can leave this car.
Okay.
No, it didn't work for you? I feel bad, man. I was gonna give him a little battery one, and I thought he'd be okay with that one.
It's alright, man. He'll learn. Where is Kingsley? Good question, Caius. Oh. You wanna call him? Call him for me. Kingsley. Okay. Okay, I'll follow you. There he is, see him? Caius. Caius. He's right there, see him? See him? Look in the grass. Get him.
You're running this guy down, bro. Come on out here.
Get him, Caius. There you go. There you go. Good job.
Good, right?
Yeah.
Good job. Oh.
Oh, man, that just happened.
Yeah, dude, he took him down. Good job, Caius. Get him, Caius. Don't be afraid. Don't be afraid. Look, you want to see Uncle Rich do it? Watch. Come here, Kingsley. Come here, boy. Watch, Caius. Come here. Come here. Kingsley, come here. Come on. Come here. See, like this. See? Yeah?
No, you don't.
You can't be afraid of him. You gotta get him. Yeah, there you go. Don't be afraid. He's not gonna bite you. See? It doesn't hurt. It doesn't hurt. See? Oh, it does hurt? Oh, buddy? No. Stop it. Yeah, you're right. It does hurt a little bit. Good job, buddy.
Kingsley, come here. Kingsley actually turned into a good-looking dog. Where's my car?
Where's my car?
I think Kingsley takes that as a compliment, Jesse.
Huh? Well, because earlier he was really just dumb-looking. I thought he got. Uh-oh.
Hey, I have a video camera.
Wait, not yet. We're not.
Ah, sissy! So bad, I want to squish. Gotta learn.
Fair is fair.
Whoa, buddy. Oh, my God. We're good. Nice one, dude. Getting double teamed, sorry. The right squirt nerd. That one move my car, so y'all can have more room to play. So my car's like this way.
Dude. That's what I'm wondering.
Oh, that's cold! Oh, that is cold! That is cold! It's a fella. What are you shooting at? They're over there. Get him! Like this, guys. Can't pull it. Hold on, let me show.
Yours, Susan?
That's the mic.
You got it?
I'm gonna get you, girl.
Bet you can't get me.
I bet you can't get him. I didn't even ask to play.
Good shot, sis.
I'm gonna get the water hose and dominate.
Hey, you have it?
The guy from Billy Madison.
Also on it. No, it's good.
You okay?
It's working straight out. Look.
What happened?
Oh, the top.
You wanna hold this? Are you done with it? You want this? Alright. Yeah.
Hey! You guys is straight.